Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Verlinda from Make Money Online. Before that, we are going to my topic. Kindly click subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the video updates. If you have a time, kindly look all my videos below on how to making money online, and also my social media above my videos like Twitter, Facebook, another website, and Pinterest. Okay guys, this is the main page on how to earn money in the next 90 days. This is the personal and financial success in 90 days or less. SFI or Strong Future International in 90 days. There are the home, mission, getting started, pledge, the program, and the contact. The world's finest online business. Welcome to SFI 90 days. This is the video that you can watch on how it works to earn money in the next 90 days. And the right side, there are the products here. By the way, I'm Berlinda Darcy, and I provide people with powerful information and training that has shown to dramatically increase the chances of developing a successful home business. If you are worried about money, and if you would like to know about ways that could drastically reduce or even eliminate your worries, then you are in the right place. You are going to have access to a free day-by-day program where you will perform actions that are going to guarantee your success in 90 days or less. In order to start and follow the SFI 90 days program, you need to be a member of SFI. Click here if you are not a member. Become one and start right now. Before you start your SFI 90 days program, make sure you take a look to our mission, getting started, and pledge. Commit yourself, take action, and enjoy. This is why you will succeed with us. With the SFI 90 days program, you will get a unique fail-proof system for your SFI business that includes a step-by-step daily actions for 90 days to develop your mind and grow your SFI business. 50 plus success mind setting videos, 130 plus advertising sites where you will be specifically instructed on how to effectively advertise, over 1 million advertising credits, done for you promotional tools, email swipes, text ads, keywords, and banners. Just copy and paste. Okay guys, back here, if you are not a member of SFI 90 days program, you need to be a member of SFI. Kindly click here. And then SFI Strong Future International, everything you need to start growing a second income from home today. This is, and then you can sign up free below. This, if you are not an English person or language, kindly select language here. And then you will proceed to join SFI now free here, and you can fill up your name, your first name, last name, your country, password, compare password, email address, and then click started earning money with SFI now. Okay guys, back on the right side, there are the products. This is the image that is start your own profitable internet business from home. Earn $200 to $500 per month and up working in your spare time. Extensive training, support, websites and products all provided free. No cost, no get started, no obligation, and zero risk. Proven worldwide income system and 24-year track record. If you want to more information, kindly click this image. This is the image that I showed before. If you are interested, kindly fill up this form here and click get started earning money with SFI now. And now guys, the other product here, kindly click this image if you are interested. For price vendors, save 90% or more off rated. Click here also. For more information, this is the triple clicks, daily cron, 75,000 reward decal, 580 daily winners. Kindly click here also for more information. And then this is the Austro auction. This is the games and the marketplace and play badge case. Also for more information, click learn more. And now guys, we proceed to another products here. Triple clicks, selling online. Plug into triple clicks and let our network of over 500,000 worldwide affiliates market your products and services. Kindly click here also. And then become an e-commerce associate, sell your products at triple clicks here. Kindly read this for more information and find out more. Okay guys, if you are already a SFI member, kindly click here to start your program. And this is the testimonial, the one member of SFI that he said this is unbelievable. With this site and any of your downline can succeed. You did a great job, especially the 90-day part of it, full of great stuff. This is not just SFI training, this is a life training. Boris Janevsky from Serbia country. Okay guys, if you are like this page, you can get yours here also. Click here, this image. And then this is your personalized landing page with a unique 90 days success program included, the worth of $25 only. And now guys, we proceed here the mission. We click this mission. The mission is to become a team leader of SFI in 90 days or less. And by doing it, improve my lifestyle and have financial freedom. To fulfill my mission, I will follow day by day exactly and in order what is instructed here without skipping anything at all. Give a man a fish, you have fed him for today. Teach a man to fish, and you have fed him for a lifetime. And now guys, we proceed the other one, getting started. We click this. getting started, before we get started, it is very important that right from the start you think about this is a business. This is not something you are doing just to have fun and waste a bit of time. Your aim is to make money. And with this system, you will do that, but it will not do for it for you. Neither I nor anyone else can make your business successful. Only you can. This is the exact system I use for recruiting a new SFI members, and I am going to show you the exact steps to do that. It is designed to get you to team leader and make money in the simplest, most effective way possible. You won't have to go through the hard work of figuring out what actually works, what doesn't, what produces sells, and how to sell. This system will save you a lot of time and frustration. All you have to do is follow the daily steps. Everything else will be explained along the way. Mindset, the first and most important step that we will cover every day, is setting our mind to be successful. Trust me, after finishing your 90-day program, you will be success overall. Advertising, if you are to be successful in the business, this is where you will spend at least 80% of your time in the business. It is essential that you understand that having your own SFI business needs time and dedication. If you take massive action as directed in this system, you will achieve massive success. And if you master additional skills as taught on the site, over time you will get to take less action to get the same results. You will build your team mostly from free marketing methods. There are many free marketing methods that bring good traffic and convert to sell well. And about 80% of your traffic will come from free marketing methods, but we will also use paid advertising to attract even more attention to your business SFI. I have collected all the best marketing methods that I use that bring good traffic. There are both time and money options. When you follow correctly your daily action, you will succeed. No matter what you choose, it will take serious commitment, attention, focus, patience, and persistence if you are to be successful online. So make sure you are ready to the task. Just commit yourself on your daily actions every day and you'll get your first SFI sign-ups in no time. And then this is the SFI basic. Aim high, train big, become an executive affiliate, and remain an executive affiliate every month. Recruit 5 affiliates using the method shown in this program. Teach your 5 affiliates to do the same 3 steps. And then, the good news, my friend, that you will get way more than 5 affiliates with this system now in order for you to succeed, and this will be your basic and most important duty. You need to immediately send each one of them to the system site so they can succeed too. This is the power of duplication. You can get everything you want if you help enough others get what they want. Zig Ziglar. This is the welcome message that you want, or you will sending your downlines if you have already sign up in your affiliate link. And then this is send an email, team email also. And then this is the another video for how to getting started with is a SFI, kindly click this video or watch this on how it works on SFI. And now guys, we are proceed to another one. This place, we are clicking this one. And now the SFI 90 days code of conduct guidelines. Number 1, commitment. Read this one also. Number 2, zero tolerance for negativity. Read this one. Number 3, the SFI days system plan. Kindly read this one also. Number 4, daily action steps. Read also this one. And number 5, days. Read this one also. Number 6, commitment to completion. Read this one. Number 7, sharing. This one also you can read. And number 8 is the vision. The vision, read, click this one. And then I hereby sign this pledge, this one. And now guys, we proceed the other one, the program here. This is the D1 until D90. You can click this one by one every day until D90. And now guys, we proceed the other one, contact. If you want to more information or if you are interested, kindly click this one, contact. This is the page of contact. SFI 90 days, Verlinda Darcy, Bourg-sur-Mer, France. Kindly fill up this form, your name, email address, subject, and message, and click send. Okay guys, this is all about my video on how to earn money in the next 90 days. If you are interested, kindly read the description below of my video, and you can click also my affiliate link if you are interested to become a member. And thank you for watching guys. Don't forget to subscribe on my channel and click the bell icon for the video updates. Bye for now.